Hiya. It's just onto a red light, LX64GHU. We know it's red because the pedestrian crossing is green. Like I'm just walking through here, which I'm allowed to do. That's a red light, which is why the other didn't go through.